We are traveling out over the end of the peak into CastletownBear. We came from Kenmare yesterday, stopped in Kenmare for the night because it was 1 o'clock. Went home with the car, came back this morning and continuing our trip into CastletownBear, which is out into the, well, around the peak into the Atlantic Ocean. So America straight ahead as I'm pointing the camera, my phone camera, just to give you an idea what's happening here today. Let me just check the date. Sorry for wobbling. We have the 26th of the 5th on Tuesday. We're only 4 on board. The sunlight might be, I cannot see the screen now. So, beautiful morning. We left this morning 6 o'clock the house, or 6:30. Well, it was 6:30 we left the house. We had to bring the cars up and then come back with 2 cars. Well, we brought 2 cars up, came back with 1. And then we were travelling up by boat, bringing the boat up to CastletownBear for repairs. And then we're travelling back with my car. So this is what we're at the moment. We are getting closer to our turning point. A couple of minutes yet. A bit shaky here, wavy. Trying to sit still. I cannot see the screen now, but Kenmare's in that direction. Way back there. I can only see the reflection of myself and the boat behind me. Say hi. Trying to walk this boat is impossible. That's the real skipper. I said that's the real skipper. I'm doing video. The back of the boat. There's the whoa, I love that. Kenmare now. My house is way back over there. I mean, you can't even see it. It goes around the slight bend. Ever such a slight bend, the mountains are in the way. My goodness, I'm getting seasick. See ya. It's a bit wavy here, but I can't zoom with my camera. But in there, in that way over there in that distance, in there now I can't even see. I see my own reflection. But in there is the salmon farms. They have these huge big green. I don't know if you can see the green there in the water. They're salmon, where they collect the salmon. They're huge salmon farms. And that thing on the end, it's kind of like a boat nearly. It's a food storage boat type of thing. But here we are about half an hour later, maybe 20 minutes to half an hour later. Absolutely a gorgeous day today. Like I said, I cannot see the screen. I'm looking at myself in the reflection and the water behind me. A mirror, yeah, a nice shaving thing. You can shave with this. It's very handy. Actually, I can count my hair on the camera, on the screen of the phone. This, if you notice the gaps between the rocks, it's like if a big giant came along and put a hacksaw between it. Our God did it. That's our skipper. He's sitting on front of the boat at the moment, and he reckons God did it. So possible. Oh yes, okay. Yeah, that's Iris up there. I can't see anything on the screen because I'm looking at my reflection again. And these are the two islands that I was talking about before. Oh, is it the bull and the bull and the calf? Yeah. Anyway, more update in a while. Just a quick update on where we are. Oh, waves, I love the way they're crashing against the boat. There were some fantastic swells there a minute ago. Sorry about wind noise. I was just trying to show you the size of the swells. And we had came through some big ones there. I couldn't even get the phone out. They change, they go less and then they go more. And we're pretty far out here. Well, like we're hitting. I'll get the screen close to my face so I can see where I'm looking at. Oh, I'm being thrown from. We're all thrown from side to side. We're heading more in that direction now, so the wind is coming in. The wind is coming in from that direction, so we're kind of rolling on the swell. Like the swells are this way, and the chop, as you can see. I don't know if I have enough. There's very little memory, but we're here open water. America that way. We're heading now that way in a minute, but we're just trying to avoid them rocks just up ahead there. We're going around them, but we're going to go into there into CastletownBear. But this is open water here now. America that way. So you're down that way. New York. And there's a boat there and there's a big boat there, a big fishing boat. So my SIM card is showing full. So that's what the view looks like here.